Say hi. Where are we going?
To Ikea.
To Ikea. Hi everyone. So today is Sunday. It's 10:40 right now and we are on our way to Ikea. We are going to buy my master bedroom's closet and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long because after I do laundry I have nowhere to put my stuff and we have such a great space and I think it's gonna look really nice. My husband and my daughter right now are at Dunkin' Donuts and they're getting us some breakfast and then we're on our way. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Say hi. Where are we going?
To Ikea.
To Ikea. Are you bringing a coloring book or is that Nani's? Yeah. That's Nani's? Oh, okay. You're bringing one too? Awesome. We'll see you guys later.
Mommy, did you hear? Mommy, did you hear? Where? Sorry. Sarah's daughter. Should we do outfit of the day? He's wearing these Uggs and jeans and a black t-shirt and this fluffy vest.
Who's gonna build that?
Me and Daddy.
You and Daddy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so they are now putting the stuff over there, and so I'm gonna film it. So yeah.
Hey everyone, so we're back home now. I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with here.
Good husband.
In this clip, you'll see my husband putting glue on the furniture. You don't have to do this, but we've had a few pieces from Ikea that we do this every time, and I feel like this just holds it up a little better. He's using school glue here, but I had run to the store to buy regular wood glue.
Need
This day our Ikea was out of some of the furniture pieces that we needed, so my husband actually went the next day and picked them up. So we're in the process of putting everything in, and as soon as it's done, I'm going to film a video for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, I hope you will consider subscribing. I'm going to be posting lots of new videos coming up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. I'll leave the links down below, and I'll see you in the next one.